We all know that getting through the coursework and dissertations when we are in college can be a bit of a challenge. Not only do you need time to get through all that research, you must also find a way to articulate your ideas onto paper. Vocalizing the sentiment is always easier than manifesting it, so we can understand the challenge in pushing out that A-grade paper. Considering how difficult writing these essays can be, we know that some of you guys have made use of AI to get your ideas onto paper. Interestingly enough, this has created quite a few incidents across many academic institutions such as Turnitin. The AI detector app has proved itself to be a formidable foe to people who use AI to do their work. Be it ChatGPT or some other AI tool, too many of you guys have been caught out by this AI detector app. It makes you think of how many students make use of AI in these schools. Either way, there are a few ways to get around apps like Turnitin. After all, sometimes making use of AI can be helpful to students in terms of gathering information for their research. That is why we cannot be surprised that when it first came out, it was used to do a whole host of things such as write blog posts, books, scripts, and all other sorts of things. It's just best to use the AI tools in a way that boosts your academic capabilities. This is also a reminder that, to be honest, it's best to rely on your own self rather than just take advantage of this tool. Remember, your brain is supposed to be sharper than the best AI out there. Well, at least for now. Until we achieve singularity, maybe it is best to just use AI tools such as ChatGPT to help you get a better understanding of what you are researching, instead of using it to write the essay or other sorts of presentation that you want to turn in. That being said, we want to show you guys a pair of great tools that you can use to avoid AI detection. These tools are so good that even when you use ChatGPT to carry out any of your research, your essay will still come out with a 0% score on Turnitin, Quillbot, and paraphrasing. You won't even have to worry about things such as paraphrasing. Maybe this is because people use paraphrasing tools such as Quillbot. They may have forgotten that such tools are still AI and normally they can suss each other out. That said, one way that you can avoid being detected by Turnitin with a guaranteed 0% score is to use the academic mode on Quillbot. Funny how that works, right? Turns out that this academic mode works in a way that humanizes the content you have generated with the AI tool. Easy and straightforward to use, the results will leave you pleasantly surprised as you evade the watchful eyes of Turnitin. In order to understand exactly how this method works, we must let you know that you will need to do some editing of your own on the paraphrased text. With that in mind, the first thing that you'd need to do is to copy the text you generated on ChatGPT so that you can paste it here. Before you paraphrase the content, make sure you activate the academic mode. That way you can sit back and watch the paraphrasing process happen. Once this is completed, you can move on to carry out the editing exercise we mentioned earlier. What you may want to look out for are the ambiguous sentences that are in the paraphrased content. Just give it that personal touch that will complete the human feel of the script. Heck, you could even learn a thing or two while you're reading through it. Once you're done, you can actually submit it onto Turnitin so that you can see the results. Told you it'll be 0%. Take these steps and you are guaranteed a high level of success with your AI-generated content. Shorten Mode in Quillbot. If you cannot figure out how to make the first method work, you can still use Quillbot to create that script with a 0% score on Turnitin. This time, all you have to do is make use of Shorten Mode. Mind you, you may still need to carry out some editing of your own before you turn in the final product. The first thing that you will need to do is copy what you generated on ChatGPT or any other text-generating AI tool that you create your content on. Carry it over to Quillbot and process it under the Shorten Mode. Once this is done, you can improve the quality of the script by increasing the synonym level to the second level. This is important because this is one of the tools that's being used to make the content sound more human. Impressive tool, right? There are even ways to use it to remove plagiarism from original tools. The first thing you need to do to pull this off is to activate the creative mode on the app. This also works this way because it actively takes steps to remove plagiarism from the original source with the power of AI. The next thing that you'd need to do is to make sure that your script is completely undetectable by these AI detectors. This is because even though the creative mode does remove plagiarism, it is still easily detected by AI detectors. So to completely eradicate the chance detection, you must copy the paraphrased text before once again processing it through the shortened mode. Don't take our word for it. Run it in on Turnitin yourself and see the 0% score yourself. You will confirm how efficient the app is with your own eyes. Jenni.ai, another tool that has proven to be powerful when it comes to avoiding the watchful eyes of AI detectors, is Jenni.ai. Many people cannot help but comment on how amazing its features are. It's probably because of how simple it is to make use of this powerful AI tool. Many students may find that this could be one of the most useful tools they could have in their arsenal today. The first thing that you'd want to do when you are trying to use this AI tool to do your work is to highlight the section of the content that you want to paraphrase so that you can process it with the AI command. Once you highlight these sections, you can process the section by choosing whatever style of paraphrasing that you want. Many students may find that they may want to start out with the academic style. Once you select this style, you can actually watch as the AI goes to work, constantly thinking and writing as it goes, so that it can obtain the information it needs from research papers on the web. This is important because this is how we know that it is trying to gather all the reliable information it can find so that it can apply it to work. This is also useful because Jenni.ai was insightful enough to leave you with the sources of this research so that you can reference them later on. Either way, once this process is carried out successfully, you'd probably find that you'd want to do some editing of your own. This is vital because this is one of the ways to add the human feel to your work. Make it longer or shorter if you want, add a few phrases here or there to get rid of some ambiguous terms, and you're good to go. This may be a tedious task to some, but a second look is always important when it comes to taking anything to the next level. This step is also vital because it helps you make sure that the text that you just generated and paraphrased represents your ideas to the best of its abilities, and if it hasn't, how can you help it get over the line? This is actually the finishing touch when it comes to evading the detection of AI detecting tools. With such tools, this could help you take anything you generate from AI undetectable. After processing them and making them your own, you're pretty much good to go.